buys homes as is and how to spot a scam. If you're thinking about selling your home as is, you've probably seen ads for We Buy Houses or Cash for Homes. But who are these buyers really? And how do you know if you can trust them? I'm Kristin with Driven2 Solutions, and today I'm breaking down exactly who buys homes as is, the types of buyers you'll meet, and most importantly, how to spot a scam before it costs you money and time. So let's get started. When you sell a home as is, you're selling it in its current condition. No repairs, no updates. So who's actually buying these properties? Here are the main types of as-is buyers. Real estate investors. These are individuals or small companies who buy properties, fix them up, and either resell them or rent them out. They make their money by adding value to the home after purchase. House flippers are similar to investors, but their focus is a quick turnaround. They often have crews ready to go and can close fast. Buy and hold landlords. These buyers are looking for rental income. They don't always do big renovations, and sometimes they make minimal updates and rent right away. And then you have your buyers and your institutional buyers. These are larger companies, often tech-driven, that make online offers. They're convenient, but their offers can be more conservative because they have corporate overhead. And then you have your end user buyers. Occasionally, you'll get a regular buyer who's okay with the condition of the home because they're planning to fix it up themselves over time. That good sweat equity. A legitimate as-is buyer will be transparent about how they calculate their offer. They will put their offer in writing. They will be willing to use a licensed title company or real estate attorney for closing. They will not pressure you to make a decision within hours, and they will give you the option to have your own representation. At Driven2 Solutions, we walk sellers through our process step by step and even encourage you to get and compare offers. That's because a real professional isn't afraid of you doing your homework. We actually encourage it. And if you get a better offer, then that's the right idea for you to take it. Now, let's talk about the red flags, because unfortunately we know that there are red flags. The as-is selling space attracts some bad actors, and here's what to look out for. No physical visit. They make an offer without ever seeing the property in person or virtually. No earnest money. A legit buyer will put down earnest money to show they're serious. Changing the offer at the last minute. They lock you in, then drop the price right before closing, hoping you'll be desperate enough to accept. Unrealistic promises. We'll pay double market value. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And they request upfront fees. You should never have to pay a buyer or to just make an offer or start the process. If you're thinking about selling your home as is, here's how to protect yourself. Always check reviews and references. Use a licensed title company or attorney and get every agreement in writing. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. And when you work with a reputable team like Driven2 Solutions, the process is simple, transparent, and safe. Selling your home as is can be one of the fastest, easiest ways to move forward, as long as you work with the right people. And if you want to explore your options or get a free, no obligation as-is offer, visit Driven2 Solutions or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.